Let me take a moment to frame data resilience in our ever-increasing digital world. Starting with Veeam. At Veeam, our mission is clear: to power data resilience and keep every business and the digital world always running. For over 17 years now, we have relentlessly innovated to bring this mission to life, creating industry-defining solutions like Veeam Data Platform and Veeam Data Cloud, purpose-built to bring data resilience to life. Our success is driven by over 34,000 partners and by over 550,000 customers around the world, and we are deeply thankful to each of you. It is that winning combination of innovation, your partnership, and an unwavering customer focus from the Veeam team that has made us the global #1 in data resilience. And I can assure you, we are only getting started. So why does data resilience matter now than any other time in history? Today, every company is a software company, generating vast amounts of data that are critical to running the business. And 90% of the world's data was created just in the last 2 years alone. Managing and protecting this data has become incredibly complex, with multiple clouds, hybrid architectures, endpoints, and varied geographies. And by the way, there are growing challenges like vendor lock-in, regulatory compliance, and the ever-present threat of ransomware, which is more pervasive and sophisticated than it has ever been. Our research shows that 75% of companies have been breached at least once, and over a quarter of those have paid a ransom but still never recovered their data. As one customer put it, there are only 3 certainties in life: death, taxes, and ransomware. That is why data resilience is no longer optional, it's essential. You need your data to be safe, to be protected, and always available. At Veeam, we focus on 5 core pillars to bring data resilience to life. It starts with backup, ensuring that you have a clean, immutable copy of your data ready whenever you need it. Next, recovery. Veeam sets the industry benchmark for instant, anywhere data recovery with 0 data loss and no reinfection. 3, data freedom. We have architected data freedom as a first principle from day one, so every customer can freely move their data whenever, wherever, and however they need it based on their business need, based on their strategy. Making sure data is not locked in with any one vendor, platform, technology, or even physical geographic location is a super key first principle of data freedom. The 4th pillar is data security. It is about protecting your data in a true zero trust architecture and proactive security measures like end-to-end encryption, MFA, and many more which are table stakes now. And finally, data intelligence. Providing AI-driven insights from data you protect and AI-enhanced product usability and effectiveness is super key. Every solution we have designed and offer is designed around these principles, delivering end-to-end protection for you, all of our customers. Every workload we protect has been purpose-built from day one around these 5 pillars to deliver data resilience for you. Together, these capabilities provide the industry's most complete end-to-end protection for our customers. This includes prevention, protection, threat detection, and our patented 5x faster recovery methods with no data loss. In addition, Veeam is the only data protection vendor to provide incident response, first-party incident response during these breaches. Think of it like a 9/11 for ransomware attacks. Our acquisition of Coveware brings patented technology and the strongest commercial database of ransomware attack signatures for proactive prevention. No other vendor in this market provides this level of complete support for enterprise resilience before, during, and after a ransomware attack. period. Now, it all comes together with Veeam's Cyber Secure offering. It offers proactive services throughout the entire life cycle of data security, pre-incident, during incident, and post-incident. It makes sure that your teams are prepared, protected, and ready to recover. Veeam Cyber Secure, or we call it VCS, includes a patent-pending technology and training for your security teams, for your executives, for your boards, delivered by the cyber threat experts from Covert by Veeam. By the way, it also includes a world-class incident response retainer. So if disaster strikes, you have cyber threat experts by your side in less than 15 minutes to guide you to the best outcome. And we back our ability to protect and aid customers with up to a $5 million warranty against data recovery expenses as part of the Cyber Secure program. That is true peace of mind.